Today you have to start with the new topic, parallelogram. What is the meaning of parallelogram? Which are the properties of the parallelogram that you have to study today? So, what is the meaning of parallelogram? In the name itself, the meaning of the parallelogram is the quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel is called as the parallelogram. Which are the opposite side? The opposite side of the side AB is the side DC, and opposite side of the side AD is side BC. So I will say that this side AB is parallel to this side DC. This one is shown by this mark, that this arrows indicate that this line is parallel to this. Means opposite sides, one pair of the opposite sides here is parallel and another pair is also parallel. That one that I will show by the single arrow, and I will say that side AD is parallel to side BC. So this quadrilateral is the parallelogram because side AB is parallel to side DC and side AD is parallel to side BC. Everybody understand? Means try to understand the definition of the parallelogram is that the quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel is called as the parallelogram. The difference between the rhombus and the parallelogram is that all the sides of the rhombus are congruent, but in parallelogram all the sides are not congruent, but opposite sides are congruent. Here again we have to study the properties of the parallelogram. This is the quadrilateral called parallelogram. Here this side AB is parallel to side DC and side AD is parallel to side BC. The first property of the parallelogram, I will say that the opposite angles of the parallelogram are congruent. This angle is congruent to this angle and this angle is congruent to this angle. So what is the first property? Opposite angles of the parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, I will say that is angle A is congruent to angle C. Angle A is congruent to angle C, and angle B is congruent to angle D, and angle B is congruent to angle D. So, first property is that the opposite angles are congruent. Everybody understand? If this one is 60 degree, this one is also 60 degree. If this one is 120 degree, this one is also 120 degree. So opposite angles of the parallelogram are congruent. This is the first property. Then the next property, opposite sides are congruent. So I will show by the identical mark. This side is congruent to this side and this side is congruent to this side. This identical mark shows that this is the two line identical mark. This one is also two line identical mark, and these are the opposite side. This one is also the opposite side. One line identical mark, one line identical mark. So you have to say that side AB is congruent to side DC and side AD is congruent to side BC. Everybody understand? Which one is the second property? The opposite sides are congruent. Then third property, diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect means that when they will intersect with each other, at that time they will divide it into the congruent equal parts. So I will say that this A is congruent to this C. So I will say that sec A is congruent to sec A is congruent to sec CE, and sec BE is congruent to sec DE. Everybody understand? This also I will show by the identical mark. This one is 3 line identical mark. This one is also 3 line identical mark. This one is shown by us. This one is also shown by us. If this one is 10, at that time this one is 5. This one is 5. If this one is 12, at that time this one is 6. This one is 6. Means diagonal bisect each other. And the next property, adjacent angles are supplementary. This is the important property. while solving the problems related to the parallelogram, related to the angles, that time you have to you utilize this property. The adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. And angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Means this angle and this angle are adjacent angle, this angle and this angle are adjacent angle. The sum of A plus B is equal to 180, sum of B plus C is equal to 180, sum of C plus D is equal to 180, and sum of A plus D is equal to 180. These are the properties related to the parallelogram. Again I will repeat the properties: opposite angles are congruent, opposite sides are congruent, diagonal bisect each other, and adjacent angles are congruent. And adjacent angles are not congruent, sorry, adjacent angles are supplementary, means their sum is 180 degree. I think you understand all the properties and the definition of the parallelogram. Draw the figure and write all these things in the classwork notebook, and write this definition and all the properties in the basic notebook. Thank you.